Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that he radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam never told a lie that seems to be lies, except on 3 occasions, two of which are about Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, when he alayhi salam said, I am about to be sick, and his words, nay, this big one of them would have done this, and the third, when one day he alayhi salam along with Hazrat Sarah passed by the city of a tyrant who was notified, a man has come accompanied with a bailie. He then sent for him and asked, who is she? He alayhi salam said, she is my sister. He then went to Hazrat Sarah and said, O Sarah, there is no believer on the face of the earth saves you and me. This king asked me, and I told him that you were my sister, so you may not prove me a liar. The king sent for Hazrat Sarah radiyallahu anha. When she went near him, he tried to touch her with his hand, but his hand got paralyzed. So he said, pray for me, I will do no harm to you. She supplicated Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and his hand got well. Again he tried to molester her, but suffered a similar or a more severe seizing. He said, supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for me, now I will do no harm to you. She prayed, so he was granted recovery. He sent for one of his chamberlains and said, you have not brought to me a human being but a devil. He gave her Hajara for service. So she came to him, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, while he was standing in prayer. He alayhi salam inquired with the motion of his hand, indicating what had happened. She replied, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu returned the ruse of the infidel or the rage towards him, and awarded me Hajra for service. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, Ya Bani Ma as-Sama, O the children of the water of the sky, she is the mother of you all. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3358.